Hi there. We are so excited to be back in your inbox again. Aren't we excited about that? We absolutely are.
Extremely excited. I have a question though.
Oh, what's that?
Question I have for everyone is, what would it do for your bottom line rather if your retention rate increased by 10% annually?
So what would it do to your bottom line if your retention rate increased 10% annually? So, hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Ron.
And Ron, why don't we share with them the visit we had with that chamber?
Oh, sure. About 3 weeks ago, Dan, we did visit a chamber in the area, and we asked them one simple question. How many brand new members did you bring into the chamber last year?
And the answer?
Well, first off, they were really excited because they said, well, we brought in 104 new members, and that was really, really good for them.
Good number, yeah.
It was a really good number for them. So the next question I asked them is, well, how many of those members renewed their membership?
And the answer for us was?
24.
24.
24 members.
And you think about that and you say, just think about the effort that it took to get that 104. That's a good campaign. That's good effort. And getting 104 member and for 80 of them to make a decision to not stay with their initial decision. What's the impact of that?
Well, sure. The impact, of course, is their budget.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to manage your budget if you're losing that many members.
Right.
First-year members. And, of course, the second thing happens is it's inconsistent about the growth.
The growth,
yeah. Really becomes inconsistent.
And that's the key. Annual growth is a key. And then the third thing, I think you would agree, is, let's say you're in a boat and it's leaking and you're sitting there trying to bail. Well, if you're not bailing fast enough, there is a certain amount of attitude that's going to be there. So the same thing happens to the culture in your chamber when you put all this effort forward and the bucket just leaks out, right?
It's very stressful.
Yeah.
Very, very stressful.
So what do we do about that?
Well, the first thing we could do, Dan, is they could take the first step by downloading our brand new ebook.
Absolutely.
And the name of the book is?
The name of the book is Managing the Mysteries of Membership. And we also, after you look at that, there's some key insights as to how you grow your retention rate 10% annually. And that's a key. I want to stop on that for just a second because we're talking about when you grow 10% annually, you're now talking about some compounded effort, aren't you?
No, you're not. Well, yes, it compounds over and over and over and over again. By reading this book, it gives you some good insight, give you some good ideas on what you could do to help you grow your membership rate.
Your retention rate, absolutely. And so we'd also like to continue the conversation. If you find something in that book or on this video that piques your interest, we would love to have that conversation with you.
You contact me, Ron, at 210-854-7045. Number's right down here. Or you could give us an email. You can contact me at ron@rarossi.com.
And as always, our services come with a complimentary component to start off, so you get the opportunity to kick the tires in what we do in benefiting your chamber. Till next time we talk to you, you guys have a wonderful day.
Take care.